My name is Justine and we're here today with the Isuzu UTE I-Venture Club for women who venture. Well, some of the ladies have actually brought along their partners, but it really is about empowering women and giving women the confidence off-road.
So we're here today at RACQ Mobility Centre in Mount Cotton in Brisbane. It's a private training facility, so it's a safe and controlled environment that allows people to test their cars in different conditions. Over the next 2 days, we will be welcoming over 120 participants. They'll be bringing their daughters, their mums, their partners to really experience what we have to offer.
My name's Hannah and I came here with my younger sister, and I came basically because my mum forced me to, but yeah, I had a great time. They've been to other I-Venture events, both single day ones and multi-day ones, and they really loved it and they thought it would be a worthwhile experience for both me and my sister to come on, particularly one that's focused on women and people who don't know a lot about four-wheel driving, which is, I fit into that category.
I learned how to use the gears, as in the four high, four low, rear diff, more about how to go through water crossings, a little bit about the lines you take with the divots, the rocks, the tree roots, to be aware of your surroundings. Well, one of the comments I made is it's actually been lucky that we've had all the rain we have recently, because out on the tracks it gave us the opportunity for the mud and the puddles, and not just the creek crossings, it was the different surfaces as well. So that made it, a little bit more challenging.
You hear a lot about these things like check the oil, fill the washer fluid, but as a young driver, I didn't really know. If someone told me oh, do that now, I would be kind of guessing, but it was good to have someone actually explain that to me. The nuances of driving off-road, the concentration, all the things that go into it is actually really fun, and I get why people do it as a hobby now.
So our format today is some four-wheel driving in your own vehicles, and then when you come up to the hut with the trainers from IUA, we're going to be looking under the bonnet, we're going to be changing some tyres, understanding the functionality of the vehicles in close proximity. In the emergency braking part, people will be able to feel what it feels under their foot when they're emergency braking with ABS activated and pulsating the brakes. It's been a great couple of days, and if you want to get involved and join us on any I-Venture Club events, please head to our website at www.isuzuyute.com.au.